As a guy, this is basically the same as scrubbing the entire bathroom, right? Well, my wife doesn't really agree with that approach either. Yet sadly, even in the cleanest homes, there's probably one part of your home that has never been cleaned any better than just spraying deodorizer, and it could be making you very sick. You know, we hear a lot about how bad outdoor air pollution can be. Yet, according to the EPA, indoor air can be 12 to 40 times more polluted than outdoor air. And every bit of the air that goes through your home's duct system finds its way into your duct system, meaning your lungs. Years of neglect in a duct system can mean years of dust, pet fur, insects, secondhand smoke, particulates, and clumps of bacteria-laden mold blowing through your home every time the system comes on. The sickening result should be expected. In fact, research shows that many seasonal allergies are actually triggered by a mass dispersal of these elements that lurk inside your ductwork. All they needed was a fan to blow them throughout your home, which is of course built into the system. There are two helpful solutions here. One is good filtration. That's why we regularly remind customers to change your filters. This helps save energy, keeps your system clean, and can keep you healthy. If you suffer allergies, look for a filter especially built to trap allergens. Honestly, relief could be that simple. Second is to have your duct system inspected for contamination. Physically cleaning the ductwork in your home can help eliminate these contaminants in your home's air. We can inspect your system during our next routine service or go ahead and schedule a review. So when should you consider having your ducts clean? An easy one is if you see visible dark streaks or dark spots near a ceiling or wall register. That could be mold. So do not wait to get this corrected. As the mold spreads, your family is at a higher risk with every breath. This can be very serious. If you notice insects or rodent droppings, call your exterminator and then call us. Often, insects or rodents get inside the duct system because they can navigate basically undisturbed into any room in your home. Now, I know this could be unpleasant to look at, but think what it's like to breathe it every day. Many families do and never know it. A quick call or email to us, and we can help you have a healthier home all the way around. That's more than just a breath of fresh air.